Humans are on the verge of completely revolutionizing how we live, and concept technologies are at the forefront of shaping what's to come. These emerging ideas, while not fully realized yet, hold the potential to make our lives much easier. Welcome to Galore Techs. Today, we're going to look at some of the most promising concept technologies that could be the game changers of tomorrow. Number 1. Telosa Megacity. Telosa is an ambitious plan to build a futuristic city in the US costing around $400 billion. Led by billionaire Galore, this project aims to create a city that's a model for sustainable and modern living, making it a strong rival to Saudi Arabia's Neom. Covering 150,000 acres in the middle of the desert between Nevada, Arizona, and Utah, Telosa is expected to be home to 5 million people by 2050. The city will focus on eco-friendly designs, using renewable energy, vertical farming, and advanced water recycling systems. One of the key ideas behind Telosa is to give residents ownership in the land, promoting fairness and a strong sense of community. The city will also feature advanced transportation systems, like self-driving cars and air taxis, to cut down on traffic and pollution. Fossil fuel cars will be banned, and everything will be available within a short distance. Number 2. Personal Rapid Transit. Personal Rapid Transit, or PRT, is an innovative transportation system that offers a more efficient and flexible alternative to traditional public transit. Unlike buses or trains, PRT consists of small driverless pods that run on a dedicated network of tracks. These pods are designed to carry people or small groups directly to their chosen destinations without any stops in between, and this reduces the travel time significantly. The system operates on demand, meaning pods are available whenever you need them, and designed to reduce traffic congestion and lower carbon emissions. By offering a more personalized and efficient travel experience, PRT could redefine urban mobility and make city transportation more accessible and sustainable. Number 3. Blue Origin Space Tourism. Now, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos has another venture called Blue Origin, and it's taking space tourism to new heights. The company's vision is to make space travel accessible to ordinary people and not just astronauts. Their spacecraft, New Shepard, is designed to carry passengers beyond the Earth's atmosphere for a few minutes of weightlessness and breathtaking views of our planet from space. The experience includes a vertical launch, reaching over 62 miles above the Earth, and a gentle return with a parachute landing. Blue Origin's flights offer a taste of space exploration, opening up possibilities for future travel beyond our planet. And while it's not cheap, Blue Origin is leading the way in making space tourism a reality, turning what was once science fiction into an exciting and achievable adventure. Number 4. SkyTran. SkyTran is a cutting-edge transportation technology that promises to change the way we travel within cities. This system uses elevated magnetic levitation, or maglev, tracks to transport two-person pods above street level, avoiding traffic congestion. SkyTran's pods are designed to be fast, efficient, and eco-friendly, operating on electricity and producing zero emissions. The system can move at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, making it much quicker than traditional public transit options. SkyTran also offers on-demand service, where users can summon a pod using their smartphone and travel directly to their destination without stops. By utilizing maglev technology and an overhead network, SkyTran could significantly reduce urban traffic, lower pollution, and provide a futuristic, efficient, and green alternative to current transportation methods. Number 5. ZG Gravity 1. The ZG Gravity 1 is a revolutionary concept in the world of personal air transportation. This electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is designed to give people the freedom to fly without a runway. Gravity 1 operates on the principles of zero gravity control, allowing for seamless vertical takeoff, hover, and landing capabilities. It's powered by advanced electric motors, making it environmentally friendly with zero emissions. The design is sleek, featuring cutting-edge aerodynamics for efficient flight. While still in the concept stage, the ZG Gravity 1 has the potential to transform personal travel by offering a fast, flexible, and sustainable alternative to cars and public transit. This technology could open up new possibilities for commuting, tourism, and even emergency services, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in personal air mobility. Number 6. HANIT-Nano Rocket Launch. The HANIT-Nano is a small but powerful rocket developed by Innospace, a South Korean aerospace startup. Designed for launching nanosatellites into orbit, the HANIT-Nano aims to make space more accessible for small-scale missions. Recently, Innospace signed agreements to expand its launch capabilities, which means it has shown significant progress in the space industry. This rocket is designed to be cost-effective, offering a more affordable option for companies and research institutions that are looking to deploy small satellites. The HANIT's nano-compact size and efficiency are its key strengths, making it a promising player in the growing market for nano-satellite launches. By focusing on affordability and reliability, Innospace hopes to carve out a niche in the competitive world of space exploration, and this can democratize our access to space. Number 7. Thermophotovoltaic cells. Thermophotovoltaic cells, TPV cells, are an exciting innovation in green energy technology. These cells work by converting heat into electricity, offering a new way to generate power from sources like solar energy or even waste heat from industrial processes. TPV cells are highly efficient because they can operate at high temperatures, capturing more energy than traditional solar panels. One of the most promising aspects of TPV technology is its potential to generate power in places where traditional solar panels might not work as well, such as in space or in regions with less sunlight. Researchers are still developing and refining TPV cells, but the potential impact is huge. Imagine a world where waste heat is no longer wasted, but instead turned into clean, renewable energy. Number 8. BrainBridge concept. The BrainBridge concept is a revolutionary idea that could change how we think about the human brain and medical treatments. Developed by an expert team, this concept envisions a robotic interface that connects two brains, allowing for direct communication between them. Imagine being able to transfer thoughts, sensations, or even memories from one brain to another. This is exactly what BrainBridge aims to achieve. The technology could be used in groundbreaking ways, like helping people regain lost functions or even assisting with complex surgeries. One of the most astonishing possibilities is the idea of a head transplant, where the BrainBridge would play a crucial role in connecting a patient's head onto a healthy donor body. While still in its conceptual stage, BrainBridge represents a huge leap forward in neuroscience and robotics and is a hope for people who are suffering from terminal illnesses, neurodegenerative diseases, or even paralysis. Number 9. Stained glass solar panels. Stained glass solar panels are an innovative fusion of art and technology that aims to transform windows into beautiful energy sources. These panels function like regular solar panels, capturing sunlight and converting it into electricity, but it has a unique twist. They're designed to resemble stained glass, so it would look beautiful along with generating electricity. The technology behind these panels allows them to maintain transparency, letting light pass through while still generating power. This makes them ideal for places where aesthetics and functionality are equally important, such as churches, museums, or even modern architectural projects. Beyond their visual appeal though, stained glass solar panels represent a significant step forward in sustainable design that harnesses renewable energy without compromising on style. By integrating art into clean energy solutions, these panels show that going green can also mean enhancing the beauty of our surroundings, blending form and function seamlessly. So is it a goodbye to the traditional bulky and non-aesthetic solar panels? Who knows? Number 10. Xenotransplantation. Xenotransplantation is a cutting-edge medical technique where organs from animals, particularly pigs, are transplanted into humans. This approach is gaining traction as a potential solution to the critical shortage of human organs available for transplantation. Pigs are considered ideal donors because their organs closely resemble human organs in size and function. Recent scientific advancements have made xenotransplantation more promising, with genetically modified pig organs designed to reduce the risk of rejection by the human immune system. While still in the experimental phase, this procedure could revolutionize organ transplantation, offering a new lifeline for patients with long waiting times and save countless lives. It's a fascinating development in the field of medicine and offers a glimpse into a future where animal organs they might be routinely used to save human lives. So tell me, Which of the future concepts impressed you the most? Write it down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Tech's videos. Thanks for watching.